What's up guys, it's Monica from DIY Living by Talisa Lindsay. Today she is making a farmhouse tray. So at first she grabs a little candlestick holder and then she's painting it black. You want to give it a nice coat. And make sure you get in all of those little edges, just like she's doing. And then she's got this plastic cylinder that she had in her stock already, and she's gonna start painting that black as well. You'll definitely need a second coat for this because of how big it is, and the paint kind of thins out once it dries. So once you finish painting, take a hairdryer to speed up the drying process and just dry the candle holder and the cylinder. And then she goes back in for that second coat. You don't have to coat it completely, but if you see any edges that are a little thinned out or you can see through, just cover those up with some extra paint. And then you can dry it with your hairdryer again. And this time you can dry it completely. So next she's going in with some glue. We're going to attach the cylinder to the top of the candle holder. So make sure you just coat around the edges like she's doing here. And then she goes in with her hot glue gun just to make sure that there's some extra hold there. And then you can flip your cylinder right on top. And make sure you press down on it so that it sticks completely. And you can flip it back over once it's dry, or once you feel like it's on pretty tight. And then you can start to put your rope around the bottom. In order to get the rope to stay as she wrapped it around the base, she used some hot glue. So she's just pushing up on the rope to make sure that it's all together in one piece. Make sure that there's no gaps in between the rope. then once you have reached a good stopping point, you're going to want to grab some scissors, just snip the end, and then you can add a little bit of glue there at the bottom to secure it. And then she added a nice green wreath to the top of the tray. And then for the finishing touch, she added a Dollar Tree candle right in the center. This one actually lights up, but that's it, guys. So make sure you check out our Instagram for all of our finished product pictures. Thanks for stopping by our YouTube channel. Make sure you catch our next video next week, okay?